Looking to bring your designs to life with precision and power? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best laser engraver machines that combine cutting-edge technology, speed, and accuracy. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's get started. Item number 5. Meet the DAJA DJ6 Mini Laser Engraver. Compact, powerful, and precise. Its 8x8 cm engraving area and 3-watt laser let you create stunning designs on wood, leather, plastic, metal, bamboo, and even delicate paper. With smart device control, easy-to-use software, and tutorial videos, setting up is a breeze. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the DJ6 delivers perfect, detailed engraving every time, making your creative ideas come to life with ease and style. Unleash your creativity and transform ordinary materials into extraordinary masterpieces. Item number 4. Meet the LaserPecker 2, a portable and powerful 5-watt handheld laser engraver. Engrave up to 600 mm per second on wood, leather, acrylic, paper, metal, glass, and even bone. Its compact design with a handle makes it perfect for on-the-go crafting, while 3 resolution options, 1K, 1.3K, 2K, deliver precise details. Equipped with a protective shield, goggles, overheat protection, and a 12-month warranty, LaserPecker 2 ensures safe, fast, and versatile engraving for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Turn your ideas into stunning creations in minutes. Item number 3. Introducing the Algolaser DIY Kit MK2, a powerful 10-watt laser cutter and engraver with a large 400x435mm working area. Engrave and cut wood, leather, acrylic, metal, colored only, glass, stone, and more with 0.5mm precision at speeds up to 12,000 mm per min. Its 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen with Algolaser makes setup easy, while interruption recovery and repeat engraving save time. Compatible with Laser GRBL, Lightburn, and Algolaser app, the MK2 ensures efficient, precise, and safe laser crafting for beginners and professionals alike. Item number 2. Introducing the Algolaser Delta 40 watts, a powerful CNC laser engraver with a 41.5 cm working area and focal spot of 0.06-0.5 mm. Engrave wood, acrylic, MDF, metal, and more at speeds up to 30,000 mm per min with vibrant colors and 280 grayscale precision. Its 32-bit dual-core motherboard, mobile app, Wi-Fi, and offline control make operation fast and stable. Equipped with a replaceable lens, air pump, and multiple software compatibility, Delta 40 watts ensures efficient, precise, and professional engraving for large-scale projects. Item number 1. Introducing the LaserTree LT80WF45, a 10-watt laser module designed for CNC 38 similar machines. With a 45mm focus length and PWM control, it can cut 8mm plywood, 15mm pine wood, and 5mm acrylic in a single pass. Engraving speeds reach up to 3100mm min. Features include an air assist nozzle for cleaner cuts, an anti-blue light view window, and aluminum heat dissipation design with a high-speed fan. Lightweight and powerful, the LT80WF45 ensures precise, safe, and efficient engraving and cutting. Which of these laser engravers machine is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.